Good morning, students. Today I am going to show you an experiment to cut the section of root, dicot root, and section cutting we have already done for the dicot stem. Today we'll do for the dicot root. And in the next experiment, when I'll show you the monocot stem and root, then actually I'll show you the points on the basis of which you can differentiate that which the section is of dicot stem or monocot stem. With the when we do the section cutting, the structures that appear on the under the microscope, it by observing that structure we can easily identify that the stem or the root is of dicot or monocot. So let's start with this dicot root. You have to you can see that I have taken a dicot root here. This you have to keep in water and just hold it like this with the help of your 3 fingers, and take a fine blade, which a brand new fine blade, and just start like section cutting like this. As thin as possible, just make various sections. Here this one is thicker one. Now fine. Now dip in water. Here again we'll repeat the process. Here dip it again. You can see I have kept many samples here in water, and now just with the help of a brush, just transfer the finest samples. Select few samples which is finest according to you, and just transfer it to the petri dish containing safranin stain. Here with the help of a brush, just transfer the section. Select the section and transfer it to the petri dish. And from the petri dish I have kept some few samples or already in the sample in the petri dish. So just I'll take one out of this in the sample. Now on a clean slide I'll on a slide. I'll just transfer one sample to the slide. Here put a drop of glycerin on it, and then put the clean cover slip on the sample. Just you have to take care that the putting the cover slip is should be in a very gentle way. It must be to if there is a air bubble, then your sample becomes useless. So just put it like this. Yeah. Now with the help of filter paper, just press it gently. Just gently press it to remove all the excess stain and glycerin from the sample. Now clean the test tube and clean the slide. And now here you can see I have already prepared one for you. This one, this is the transverse section of dicot stem. This will observe under microscope. Here we'll fix it with the help of the clips, and then we'll observe under microscope. So this is how we prepare the transverse section of dicot stem. First, the section cutting. The basic or the most important step for this is to prepare fine sections. Second precaution is that you must take care that after cutting, when you are cutting the sections, you must dip your blade in water, put the samples in water, transfer with the help of brush, transfer the sample into the petri dish containing safranin. Wait for 2-3 minutes so that it gets stained. Then transfer it to the sample on the clean slide. Put a drop of glycerin cover slip. Putting the cover slip must be very slow, in a gentle way. No air bubbles should be in your sample. So this is all about the section cutting of dicot root. Thank you, students.